Alright, I'm back. Picked up a blower motor for this one. It died last night. Had one on order, but it got delayed with the storms, so had to pick up a generic aftermarket. I'm gonna lightly brush this wheel off because it's kind of caked up a bit, but yeah, motor was locking up and going off on overload, so I'm gonna get this changed out. Not sure how much of this I'm gonna get recorded, but I'm gonna try and find a place to put the camera. Maybe. Alright, that's out of there. There's lots of rusty crust in there. Housing's not too bad. This definitely is shot. Alright, let's clean it up. Alright, let that sit. Scrub it, hose it off. Modify that a bit. Cut it off there. Alright. Test this and then replace that breaker.